Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Excel is not responding, starting or opening on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now before anything else, just press Windows plus R to open the run window and type the command excel space forward slash save. Hit enter. This will open Microsoft Excel in the safe mode with all the add-ins disabled. So click on file, select options, go to add-ins, okay, and then select com add-ins from this option here. Click on go and then check all of these options here and then select remove and click on OK. And in 99.9% of the cases, the problem will be solved. You can close this. You can search for Excel normally and Excel will open. Now, if this helps you, then it's good. If it does not help you, then in that case, here's what you have to do. You have to right click on the start button, select settings. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then you can scroll down to Microsoft Office, click on the three dots, modify, select online repair, and then click on repair. This will initiate the app repair process, and it will fix the issues with Microsoft Excel. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.